Okay. My husband is, what you call that one? Shaving, planering?
Huh?
What's it, planer?
Yeah, planing.
He's planing a woods right here. It's red mahogany because he's gonna make
Another kitchen table. That'll be my
yeah.
third kitchen table.
Kitchen table.
But these kitchen tables, the first one made out of mahogany. The other two is made out of pine. One big for a two-story house in Greenwood, and we went to a smaller house, and the table was too big, so I had to make a smaller table. I only made it in 2 days because I had to make it really fast because we needed a table. It still looks good. But this one's going to be the Coop and Gracie kitchen tables because this is red mahogany.
Forgot to video that one when we
base
cut
for
it, right?
Huh?
I forgot to video when we cut
I'm
it.
making a really nice base. We got the film cutting it. We cut it on this here's the table saw.
Yeah, we got it in that table,
And
so.
cut it on the table saw and use this to level up one side of the wood. And then on the second cut on the other side, it did this. Right now I'm planing them down all to the same thickness. And this board is the thinnest board because it barely touched it when it went to the planer. So I'm going to have to plane this one until you can see no more of this dark wood, and then plane all of those with it so that all remain the same size. And then when this side's finished, I'll flip it over and do the other side with one pass on each other. So this one will have to go through again, and then if all of the stuff, this dark wood's gone, then it's fine. Then I'll run those other 4 through. And then I'll flip it over and then do the back. And because it'll pretty much already be the same size, the back should be just one pass each.
You have to wear masks, it's too dusty.
I hate getting sawdust and stuff in my eyes, my nose, all of that. So I bought this thing. I need more filters for it. These filters are still good, but I still need more.
Okay, go ahead.